Okay, I've got a little treat for you today. I am taking you along with me to one of our famous swap parties. Did I get anything for my wardrobe or the house? I chose very wisely. I will show you. And also the food was fabulous, and Victoria had this really brilliant recipe for autumn, winter. We wrangled the recipe out of her. So get your skates on and let's go. Oh my goodness, so here we go, and we've got some fun shoes. And Vibeka's just found a fun pair. Vibeka, let's see your shoes. Ooh, yeah, it looks like something for the pantomime. You shall go to the ball, Cinderella. And Helena's here. Oh, we're just looking through, and we've got a ton of stuff that you will recognise that I have decluttered. The bags. Oh, and over here, Vibeka has a huge selection of Emily in Paris berets. So everybody will be leaving with a beret this evening. A what? An Olivia Newton.
Greece.
Yeah. That's a great bag. Yeah.
Okay, whose color is this? Because I love this dress.
That could be yours. Yeah.
But it's not my color. It washes me out when
I
wear it.
Yeah, it's a bit because that's more muted. It's more muted, yeah. And neither of you are muted.
Shalini, this would look great on you.
No, definitely my size.
Okay, and then we've got a ton of jewellery, which is mine. Cycle helmet, kids stuff, belts, card games, and Pokemon. Oh, haven't looked at the books yet. Not many books today, but maybe we haven't unpacked them all. I'm just going to have a look around here. Oh, these are kids' books. Oh, my kids love these ones. Super Diaper Baby. And, oh, let's see, there might be, yeah, I think these are all kids' books. All right, I'm just going to take a look. This is, it's kind of difficult seeing the lights. It's so dark here already before 7 o'clock. But these, here we have dresses and tops. Ooh, and I can spot a Zara at 50 paces. Oh, right, I'm going to try this one on. Another one with kind of eyelet. See what else? That was a bit of a find. Oh, this is one that I got from Vibeka.
I'll try it on.
It's back in the swap.
You have the belt for it?
Yes, it's hanging. Is it yours?
No, I was looking at it, but
yeah. Okay, we're going to get some food, and Marianne has brought some sage from her garden. Delicious.
Get any other stuff out to
rosemary. Oh, yeah, those are my rolls. I've brought rolls and the Swedish squeezy cheese. Very good. And apples from the garden. And over here we've got the buffet. Ooh. Oh yeah, Vibeka made a salad as well, but I don't. Oh, it's down there. Yum. Oh, it looks kind of autumn. Could that be apple?
What?
Is it in that one?
Oh,
apple?
It's vegetables.
Oh, vegetables and beetroot.
What is yours?
Yes. And tiramisu.
Set out.
So we need. And Ines has made, I don't know, chia pudding, something like that. Okay, so Ines' dessert was delicious with lemon, and then Irish Maria's made a crumble. Oh, a couple of cookies left. It's a tiramisu. Champagne is going down, and the ladies are enjoying something to eat before we go into the next round of swapping. Phew, all packed up. I will go to the dump tomorrow, and I shall let you see what I got. And I drove Helena and Vibeka to the swap, and then guess who was waiting for Vibeka when she got home? Cleo. Hi. Oh. Yeah, her sweet dog Cleo. Anyway, let's get on to what I brought home from the swap and the food. So, in the clothes department, and I chose very wisely, the Zara blouse, it's really nice on, and I like that kind of short short length, or also it can be tucked into. I have a lot of high waist trousers. That's my favourite. So this one I'm really, really pleased with. I also got a new swimming costume, and that's the good thing about the swaps, because I wouldn't probably buy a swimming costume from a thrift store, but when it's from people that you know, your friends, it's not a problem. Look at the colour of that, bright pink, love that. Really going to enjoy using that at the pool for my swimming lessons with my bestie Sue, who I met this morning down for a skinny dip sea swim. Also, I took one of the berets that Vibeke had. Those were super popular. I've taken a navy blue one, because you know what my colours are this year? White. I've pared down my wardrobe to whites, pinks, reds, blues, and a pink, red, blue, white, and aqua. And the outfit that I wore last night to the swap was all swap items. The fake leather trousers that I got last year that I repainted navy with leather paint. And I had on a blue body, you know, in the azure blue that I love. And this was an azure blue sweater that I got from the swap last year. So I was wearing that on top to keep me warm, because it's getting really, really cold here in Copenhagen. And these are a pair of straightening irons. Now, I had actually put a message in the group saying, my daughter, she is a type 4-1 in Dressing Your Truth. I'm a 1-4, so she's the opposite of me. She's got a really nice long bob with the fringe, and she was looking to try straightening irons again. And so I put a message in the group, and guess what? Somebody came along with them. So this is the power of the swapping group. These ones are from Remington, and you can adjust the temperature. I actually tried them when I came home last night. So anyway, those are going to my daughter. And I also took this Nuxe oil, you know, the oil that you can use on your body, you can use it in your hair. I really like that Nuxe oil. It's really easy to absorb. This one is actually a little spray one, which is super fast for putting on. And I really like the Nuxe oil. And this little Nuxe oil, this is one that I brought back after Mum died. One of my brother's friends had put a really nice little package together for my mum, a ready mixed gin and tonic, and that was my mum's favourite drink. And this little bottle of oil. This is a different one. This is floral, slightly floral scent. And when I was looking after Mum in her final days, I would just use this and, you know, massage it into her hands and onto her arms and a wee bit around her neck. And it was just a really nice moment for Mum. You know, I told you that, you know, when Mum was dying, like every day we'd kind of do her hair and I did her nails and things, and she chose a different perfume every day. So I really like the Nuxe oils. And did you see the food? We always have fabulous food at these things, and that's part of it. It's not just the swapping thing. It's, you know, it's the chatting with the ladies, and, you know, I was feeling a bit melancholy about autumn, but you know what, when I came home last night, I was on a real high, and you've got a few new things to try. You've decluttered stuff, you've eaten well, and Marianne had brought a lot of sage from her garden and rosemary, but I was going to tell you about the dish, and I didn't even, we're all so excited about Victoria's dish that I forgot to get a photo of it. She had made a Moroccan tagine, and the recipe is on the BBC Good Food website. So I can put a little picture, and it looked just like the picture. And actually I would say that the chicken isn't necessary. I would just use the other ingredients. It's sweet potatoes, a lot of different spices like cinnamon, cumin. There's also dried cherries in it, but you could also use dates or raisins. But it was just that really warming flavours, and so I'm going to be making that one soon. And I'm also going to be using Marianne's sage, because I love that with pasta and sage and butter. Oh, and I know you've all got a question, because I get this every time. What happens to what we've done with the items from the swap that aren't taken? I'll get into that in a minute. Just a couple of last things, because I gave Sue the Nike jacket that I was decluttering. Mentioned that. Was it on Wednesday's video? She was delighted to get that, and I'll get a photo of her wearing it the next time we're out and about. But she had some clothes for me, and I'll show you what they are. So this is a top, and I'll see, I'm not sure if I will keep it, but Sue and I, we love these style of tops. We've both got the kind of same body shape. So there's this one, which I will try. And also she gave me this one, and I immediately thought, oh, I love this style. It's a Mango. It's usually Mango or Zara. Those are good brands for my shape, body shape. And I was thinking, oh, is it type 3? I think it's actually type 1, this black cherry colour that is super, super in for this winter. Remember, black cherry and azure blue are the two kind of hot colours. Hold on, use my DYT cards. You see? It's definitely not type 4 or type 2. So anyway, I'm going to have a play around with that. Let's see. Shall I keep it? Will it make it into the wardrobe? And being at these swaps, it keeps you going with the decluttering process. Because Dawn, there was talk of some coat hangers last night. And my friend Dawn, she said, oh, I need coat hangers. And this morning when I was doing my LOL, you know, my load of laundry, part of my morning routine, I realised that after I did that huge, you know, the 90-minute declutter video going through my wardrobe, I've got a ton of coat hangers. So these ones are going to Dawn. Right, and what happens to all the things that we don't take home from the swap? And I'll just point out here that you just bring along what you're not using and take what you want. It's not kind of, you know, you bring 3 items and you can take home 3 items. The idea behind it is just to use to the max the things that we have, to squeeze the last life out of things. And everything that we don't take home from the swap, we bag it up, and you can see what is in my car and going to the charity shop. Look at these fun welly boots. I've got these fun wedge sandals. Also, gosh, household stuff. One of the huge Christmas ornaments. I'm sure somebody will be glad to get those. And I'm going to be doing a declutter of Christmas stuff soon. So watch out for that. Oh, some nice little bowls. Bag of elastics. Not even been opened. So, oh, cycle helmet in there, and lots more clothes. Somebody else took all the books. They go to the book exchange. Many of the kids' toys, kids' games, they go to schools. So everything that we have is passed on to somebody else who's going to benefit from it. It's not taken to the dump, it's not recycled, it's being passed on. So I hope I gave you a little bit of a fun insight into one of our swaps. Have you ever held a swap? I know many of you have been motivated by what you've seen of us doing here to host your own swaps. And, you know, if you don't feel comfortable doing it in your own home, maybe you can do it in your local community. There are many churches here and libraries that do this kind of thing. But, you know, it just really, really motivates us to declutter. And it also stops the clutter coming in, because you're no longer shopping mindlessly, because you can pick up things to try at the swaps and then it can go back to the swap. Oh my goodness, did I even have my pom-poms out today? I cannot remember. Anyway, hope you got some motivation today. Remember to like, subscribe, share with a friend. That will help me nudge further towards my 100,000 subscribers. That's my personal goal. Remember, I don't do any sponsored content, no annoying ads in the middle of my videos. I do everything myself. And just a wee shout out to my friends for being such good sports and letting me video at these things. Anyway, see you over the weekend on Instagram and Facebook. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the swapping hygge be with you, and see you very soon with a la, ra, ra and an oh la la.